let's see who's the second runner-up. And the second runner-up for this year finale is Springdales School. The name of the startup is ELIXIR. The name of the startup is ELIXIR. A huge round of applause for Springdale School. Congratulations, team. Thank you, school, and congratulations.